Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Beautiful shot from Abie Lewis, photography by Abie on my screen. Cute as a button. I adore this Christmas mini setup. So I'm just going to give you a demo of how you can quickly edit your shots in Evoto and synchronize that to the rest of your gallery so you can edit in the time it takes to make a cup of coffee. Unless you've got anything big to fix, in which case I recommend taking those fixes over to Photoshop, but do your main editing in Evoto. It's going to save you so much time. So I'm just going to crop this image in. Let's just crop the studio there. Just cropping in a little bit. The crop ratio is set to however you shot, but you can, you can change this to your own ratio if you wanted to. I'm going to pop a 7x5 on it. It gives us a little more height there in our crop. And hit OK. So you can see here the image is still exactly as it was out of camera. We've just cropped in. This is a RAW file, a Nikon RAW. So in the all-in-one section, and this is not a complete tutorial, this is more of an over my shoulder, thinking out loud kind of edit. You can watch the full tutorials on the LSP Action website. I'm just going to go through the one click and find which one is going to work for our image. Well, I've just clicked balance there and I actually really like that one. So before and after. You can see these presets take care of your skin as well. See there, before and after. And you can tweak that and change that if you wanted to. We could try another couple, but I think balancer is going to be the one. Let's go through. I do quite like the dark of bacon there. But let's see, what about Hallmark? Oh, Hallmark's nice as well. Classic. I do quite like classic for this image. Before and after, I'm torn between classic and balancer. Right now we also have mini magic, which is really nice. But I think let's go for balancer. Just the whole scene is beautifully balanced with that one for this shot. And then we have before and after. Really, really cute. And that's basically it. And you can sync that across to the rest of your gallery. Over in the background section, you do have a few extra background. You also have subject. You can make your subject pop or be calm, but this is just beautiful. We don't need to do that. Might purify some of the whites in the background just a little bit and take that down if it's too strong, because obviously it thinks the car is the background as well. And let's just bring that up a touch, just to add a little bit of purity to that image and add a dark edge to the background. That's a vignette. Let's see before and after. Beautiful. It's so lovely to edit an image that is so lovely out of camera as well. Before and after. And all you need to do, you see we have a few images from this series. You just hold down Shift and you select them all. Let's see here. We just select them all in the gallery and we hit sync, hit save. If you've got like 100 images, grab yourself a quick coffee, but it really only takes a couple of minutes max to synchronize and export. And that is applying the same editing steps to every image in this gallery. You may need to go in and crop manually if you haven't not syncing your cropping. And I don't really recommend syncing your crop to the gallery because, hang on, sorry. Can't think and talk. I don't recommend syncing your crop because different images are going to require different crops. If cropping like this in Evoto, if you've got a huge amount of images, you might wish to consider adding Lightroom into the mix to crop first, and you can edit into Evoto from Lightroom too. Okay, but really for the time spent doing skin and everything else, you have definitely got time to crop. See there, before and after. Before, after, before, after. Absolutely beautiful, quick, beautiful edit, and you can export these and get on with everything else you need to do that does not involve editing Christmas minis. I hope this is helpful and I hope you enjoy the other tutorials. Thank you so much, Abby, for sending these in. I really appreciate it. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.